In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to clear Chrome browser cache and cookies on iPhone. On your iPhone, open the Chrome browser and from the browser, tap this three dot at the bottom right. Here, tap on History and tap on Delete Browsing Data. Tap on Time Range and select a time range to delete your Chrome browser cache and cookies. I'm selecting here all time. Then tap on Browsing Data and here select Browsing History, select Cookies Site Data, select Cached Images and Files, and don't select here Saved Passwords. If you select this option, all of your saved passwords will also delete. Tap on Confirm and then tap on Delete Data, and all of your Google Chrome browser cache and cookies will delete. So that's how you can actually do it. Thanks for watching.